The Session Manager indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and run the indicator, dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comments section and then click the OK button. When we apply the indicator to the chart, a time panel will appear in the top left corner of the chart. The Forex Session Management Indicator is a suitable tool for traders who are looking to better understand market conditions and the opening and closing of trading sessions. In the Settings section, in the Input section, options include display settings for the indicator's theme. Dark, Light, and Auto. Dark applies a dark template. Light applies a light one. And Auto changes candle colors. Green for profit, red for loss. The panel settings allow trading session hours adjustments. Sydney session runs 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. local time. GMT settings cover Tokyo, London, and New York sessions, with times set by GMT and DST. Selecting auto changes candle colors. Profitable candles turn green, losing ones red. Next, panel settings allow trading session hour changes. Sydney session runs 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. local time. GMT settings cover Tokyo, London, and New York sessions. Sydney opens at 11 p.m., Tokyo at midnight, and London follows. The opening time for the Sydney session is based on local time, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The next part covers the GMT settings, including the opening and closing times for the Tokyo session, which are based on GMT, the London and New York sessions, which follow GMT and DST. The Sydney session opens at 11 p.m. and runs until 6 a.m. After that, the Tokyo session is open from midnight to 7 a.m. Next, the London session runs from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Lastly, the New York session starts at 1 p.m. GMT, and DST is taken into account, remaining open until 10 p.m. The Sydney session opens at 11 p.m. and runs until 6 a.m. Next, the Tokyo session is open from midnight to 7 a.m. Then, the London session, running from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. considering DST. The New York session starts at 1 p.m. GMT, considering DST, and remains open until 10 p.m. A line in the time panel shows the active session. Enable the session panel to turn it green, indicating an open session, while white panels mean closed or not yet open. We've reached the end of this tutorial on the indicator. By running each trading session, a line in, the time panel line will tell us what time the session is in, and by activating and turning on the panel, the session part will turn green, which means that the trading session is open. Panels that are white means they are not opened yet, or their time is closed. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this tutorial on the indicator. We'd be happy to have you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.